3, 2, 1. Turn around and take it all in.
Oh my Lord, have mercy, look at my house.
Unbelievable. I mean, it's like beyond our wildest dreams.
I love it.
You like the whole apartment?
Yeah.
This is just beautiful.
What are you thinking, Norm?
You're a good man.
Are you ready to call this place home?
I'm here.
Corporal Sherman Watson is a Marine who served 3 tours in Iraq. He's been shot twice, blown up once, and awarded 3 Purple Hearts.
I was injured a total of 3 times, 3 separate deployments, and 3 Purple Hearts. But I would say the one injury that really, put me down, that I couldn't come back from, was the IED. I believe it was remote detonated. It could have been pressure detonated, I'm not sure. Because I did see something shining, that's all I remember. And I was out for 9.5 hours, and I was unconscious for 9.5 hours, so had memory problems. I do not remember nothing from the event. I still have memory problems from what I've done in the Marine Corps.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to
Yes.
come home?
Yes.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Turn around and take it all in.
Oh my.
Oh my God!
You guys want to go inside?
Yes, we want to go inside.
All right.
Okay, honey, watch yourself.
Follow me.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness, look at the fireplace!
God.
Oh my God, that
up.
is
What?
gorgeous.
What is that?
That's what you call a back deck.
What?
It's a little oasis. Oh,
no
my
gophers.
God.
No gophers.
What?
This is so amazing.
This week's rescue brings us to the Orpheum Theater, home of the off-Broadway staple Stomp here in New York City. And trust me, the cast members of this show are not living the glamorous life of the stage. Making a living as performers, these actors are burdened by dark, dingy, and cramped dressing rooms. With strenuous pre-show conditions threatening to take a toll on their performance, Team Stomp wrote into George to the rescue asking for some help. Let's see what we can do. You guys ready? You ready to see the dressing room? All right, while we got the energy going, let's check them out.
It's really nice to be appreciated and to have somebody do something for you like this. It's pretty amazing. It definitely puts a spring in your step, and it definitely makes me look forward to coming into the theater that much more.
This contributes to the show. It really does. It helps. It boosts the morale, helps everybody feel, comfortable and just like happy to be here.
This week's rescue, we're helping out the Brasher family. Kate works for a nonprofit in the city 5 days a week, and Ben is a writer who stays at home with the kids. Add to that, a 3rd child on the way, no space to put him in. That's where we come in.
When we first bought this house, the backyard was lovely. It was beautiful, it was lush, and the only thing that wasn't was our garage. I mean, that was always really kind of gross and stinky, to be honest. The previous owners had a dog kennel that they operated in there, and so it was kind of just always stunk.
Keep your eyes down, keep your eyes down.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, check this out.
You guys are good.
We try.
You guys are good.
Unbelievable. I mean, it's like beyond our wildest dreams.
I mean, we had such a big yard before, but it was just so much of it was totally unusable. And now it's like completely all totally usable. You know, when you don't have your own space, it's hard to take your work seriously. When you're pulling up on the couch and, you know, kids are running around you, it's just hard to think like, okay, I'm a writer. It's very hard to keep that in your head. And to have a space that's dedicated to that, for me, I feel like I'm really going to be able to sort of kick it up a notch and like get a lot of stuff done. Actually just start churning some work out. I feel like this is the start of some big things.
I hope so.
Pink? I definitely think they approve. Success. This week's rescue brings us to the Brooklyn home of Anita Clark. Anita is a 25-year employee of the NYPD, and her life goal was to achieve the American dream of owning her own home. Unfortunately, that dream home soon became a nightmare, as significant damage has made life difficult for Anita, her mother, and her daughter. But being that Anita has done so much for her friends, her family, and her community, we felt it was only right to give her the help that she desperately needed. All right, Anita, welcome home!
Thank you! Oh, thank you.
There have been a lot of changes since you and I first crossed paths.
Really?
Yeah.
Good changes?
Amazing changes. Without further ado, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God!
Open it up, give you some more storage.
Yes, this is cool. This is so nice.
You want to see what we did in your bedroom? All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh Lord have mercy, look at my house. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. Oh, thank you.
2011, in August, we had Hurricane Irene, and we wound up with roughly 7 feet of water in the basement. Basically, everything was gone. And I just had to walk away.
He was so absolutely devastated that you kind of become paralyzed, and you can't think properly, you can't make decisions because there's just so much that you have to think about and so much that you have to do. You just can't do it.
Currently, my father is staying in the second bedroom, which is right across from our bedroom. But it is tight quarters, so I mean, I'm sure that he wants his privacy, and we would
like to have ours.
like to have ours as well.
Just a little bit.
You guys excited? Yeah. You guys are all color coordinated. I like it.
Again. I swear I don't pick out their clothes.
Well, this way you can keep Fred upstairs from now on and keep Dad downstairs. He has his own domain. So what do you say? Without further ado, you guys want to see what we did?
Sure.
All right, follow me.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
It's the same house?
Oh my God.
Unreal.
This is amazing.
Holy cow.
Unbelievable.
Look at this.
Looks like we're going to be spending a lot of time together, you know.
We're moving down here.
We had to turn, obviously, the majority of it into an apartment for Norm, but you have to have some place to store all of your stuff. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
So we made you a very highly organized storage room.
This is beautiful.
So what apartment would be complete without, obviously, a bathroom? You guys want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Norm, why don't you actually do the honors?
Oh my God.
Wow. Wow.
Huge.
The master bedroom.
Wow.
Whoa.
So you guys like it?
Yeah.
I love it.
You like the whole apartment?
Yeah.
This is just beautiful.
What are you thinking, Norm?
You're a good man.
Are you ready to call this place home?
I'm here.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.